Today's lesson will be quadcopter frames, that is, four-arm drones. We will examine them under 6 headings. These are the general features, advantages, disadvantages, configuration types, usage areas, and performance summary. Since the quadcopter, known as the four-arm, contains fewer components, it is widely used today in hobby activities, races, or video shootings due to its cheap cost and easy construction and maintenance. Quadcopters come in many different varieties, such as X, Plus, H, Dead Cat, and Stretch X. The advantages of four-arm drones are as follows. It involves a simpler construction and maintenance process than other drones with more arms. It stands out in terms of portability for hobby purposes due to its minimal structure, and also provides excellent balance and control in races and freestyle flights due to its structure. Other advantages are as follows. Since it is versatile, it can be used in many applications such as aerial photography and light cargo transportation. Compared to drones with more engines, we get longer flight times by consuming less power, so it is more efficient. Additionally, this frame type is advantageous because it contains many spare parts on the market. Quadcopters are not designed to carry heavy loads, so they are not suitable for use in industrial applications where heavy materials must be transported. Since they are generally used with 4 engines, in case of any engine failure, the drone will crash, as there is no engine backup, and it is negatively affected by winds in severe weather conditions. Other disadvantages are, when any load is placed on the drone, it significantly reduces the flight time. Therefore, it is not possible to carry a professional camera or equipment. Because they have 4 engines, they are not capable of high-altitude flights or professional cinema shooting missions. In the X-frame, one of the quadcopter configuration types, the drone frame is in an X shape and the engines are equal and distanced from the center. The number of these people. The drone balance is perfect and in a state of stability. It is very agile due to its frame type, therefore it is suitable for racing and is also aerodynamically efficient, but has limited space for large loads or cameras. Plus frame arms are designed in a similar way to Plus. One arm is fixed to the front, one arm is fixed to the back, and the others are fixed to the sides. Since it has one arm in front, we can determine the direction more easily during flight, and it has good stability for basic flights. Due to its structure, it cannot be used in FPV drones because there is a motor at the camera angle. It is not as agile as X-frame and is not preferred in modern drones. H-frames are rectangular in shape. It has plenty of space for cameras and large items. It is ideal for FPV flights because it is durable and easy to assemble, but it is heavier than X-frame and it is poor in terms of agility and aerodynamics. In Dead Cat frames, the front arms are further outside than the rear arms, so they are ideal for FPV flights and aerial photography. Having the front arm exposed reduces vibrations in the image. However, due to this structure, it is not suitable for high-speed flights as it is less agile than X-frame. The Stretch X design is a version with longer arms towards the front and back than the X-frame. It provides better control at high speeds and is ideal for sharp turns. But it is not good for carrying cargo or free flights. Quadcopters are versatile drones that can be used in a variety of industries and for a multitude of purposes, including air photography, military operations, education, and hobby activities. You can find the summary of the table in which we compare quadcopter and hexacopter as a performance summary in the summary of the table. Quadcopters are generally more dynamic and less expensive applications for lightweight applications such as racing, FPV flight, and general flight use. They are less stable than hexacopters, but are easier to maintain and repair. When we examine quadcopters in detail, when it comes to the final point, the choice of 4 is left to the end users. Thank you for listening to the lesson.